In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop autoplay videos on Instagram. Autoplay videos can be annoying because they start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. Not only that, but they also consume data without you realizing it. To get started, open up the Instagram app and then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on these three lines at the top right. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Media Quality. Tap on it. What you want to do next is toggle the switch next to the Use Less Cellular Data option. By enabling this option, you can effectively control your data usage and avoid the automatic playback of videos as you scroll through your feed. This is especially beneficial if you have a limited data plan or if you want to improve performance on slower networks. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.